What's up, everybody? Today I'm going to show you how to fix the washout lawn, or how to fix muddy lawn. What? Hey guys, don't forget to subscribe, tap the bell so you can get instant notifications on future videos, and always leave me a comment in the comment section. I always reply. You can tell that behind me, I've already done the work. I forgot to film the beginning of it, but here we go.
Next level. Next level.
Alright, so far I started here, and my goal with the first pass is really just to kind of fill in the ravine and get everything halfway back to normal. So that's what I've done. I tell you what, that was a lot of work, but it looks so much better. So much better. Alright, so it took me 2 days. It took me 80 40-pound bags, which is 3,200 pounds of topsoil, and a rake. That's all I had, and a lawn roller. And so what I did was I filled in the whole trench I had and all the wash spots, filled them all in with topsoil, graded it out the best I could, and did a lot of top dressing. And then I seeded the bare areas, like 8 pounds, 1,000 square feet. And then I raked it all in, and then I overseeded the entire lawn about 3 pounds per 1,000 square feet. And then I rolled all that in, and that's where the stripes is coming from. So that's a really nice, it's like looking into a crystal ball, looking at the future lawn that you're gonna have. It's beautiful. I can't get enough of it. Yeah. Alright, well there you go. That's the best I can do. So hopefully we just don't have any more massive downpours and wash me out again. So it's Saturday evening now, so should be seeing sprouts hopefully by Wednesday, Thursday, sometime around there, I'm hoping. And got a lot of catching up to do. So that's it. Alright guys, that's it for today, man. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to smash that like button for me. Subscribe right here. Check out one of these videos. Until next time, peace.